Okay, Darrell, show you what I got done. I replaced the 1000 microfarad DC input buffer filter. There's a 1000 at, I think it was 16 volt. I have replaced it with a 6800 microfarad at 25 volt. I don't know if we can see that or not. Yeah, I think you can. Okay. And I replaced the 1000 microfarad 16 volt voltage regulator buffer filter with a 3300 25 volt gold. Okay. And I've also replaced the IF filter with a tighter 10.7 IF filter. Cuts back on bleed over, and that's for AM FM. Okay, these two right here are AM FM. This is your sideband filter right here. So far I haven't been able to find a tighter one for these. The old Cobra 148s still hold the record for the best receivers. But these new AnyTone boards with that digital noise reduction, they are getting close. Let me tell you, this board right here is found in quite a few radios now. The President Washington, this one, the 5555N2, the SR955 uses a very similar version. Okay, but as you can see, the chassis of this one is short, like the chassis of the Washington. It's not real long like the 955 with a bunch of empty space up here. The Aries 2 is the same way. It's a real long chassis with a lot of empty space up front here. But these radios work really well. They're using IRF 520s in these, but boy, the output power of these is much better than what you would think it would be with 520s. Okay, now I can upgrade them with the Lescom LSCM06, the Z06 and Z07, but I don't think it's necessary. You don't get that much more power out of it. You get about another 20, maybe 25 watts out of it by swapping out all 4 transistors, or MOSFETs. MOSFETs are transistors, but you don't gain that much. It's not really worth it. I shouldn't be saying that, because I make money off of doing that, but, being honest, you don't gain that much by swapping the transistors out on these. Okay? Alright, well, let me get the covers put back on it. We'll do some power checks. Actually, let me do the tune-up. Then I'll put the covers back on it. We'll do some power checks. More to come. Alright, let me show you what I got here. I got a 100 watt slug in both RMS and PEP. So we're going to be reading on the bottom scale on both meters. Okay? See if I can arrange it where that we can get both of them in there at the same time. Move some of this stuff out of the way. Yeah, that looks good right there. Okay, the multiplier's on ×1. I'm on channel 20. FM and RF power is turned all the way down, and of course I got the volume turned way down because squelch is noisy. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. Squelch off on the FM, that's all you hear. Okay? So, low power on FM, we're doing about 2, almost 3 watts. Okay, now I'm going to turn the RF power all the way up. And we're doing about, what is that? About 48 watts. Ignore the PEP meter on FM. Okay, just ignore that. Alright, no, we're tickling 50 watts. on the FM with power turned all the way up. Alright, now I'm going to switch to AM. And I did turn the beep off. You can turn it back on if you want to, but I hate them damn things. Okay. Now, RF power all the way up. We're doing about, what is that, 28 watts RMS. Hello audio, audio 1, 2. Now you can believe that PEP meter on this one. Alright, let me turn RF power all the way down. And we're dead keying about 1 watt. Hello audio, audio 1, 2, 1, 2 audio. We need to turn it up a little more than that. Hello. What happened to my microphone? My microphone quit working. I think got a bad, may have a bad cord. Hello, audio, audio, yep. Audio, audio, audio. So I'm going to have to fix that. Okay, RF power all the way up now. I'm holding the cord. Audio. Hello, audio. I can't complain too much. I mean, I've used this thing testing hundreds of radios. Maybe I just didn't have it plugged in all the way. That's what it was. Just wasn't plugged in all the way. Alright, that's all the way up. Now I'm turning RF power all the way down, about 1 watt. Audio, nope, actually that cuts it off right there. Audio, audio, audio. Well, no, I guess it's, the microphone is still messed up. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, there we go. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, audio. Okay. So about 9 o'clock is about 2 watts. 9 o'clock on the RF power dial. Dead keying about 2 watts there. Audio, hello audio, audio 1, 2, 1, 2 audio. There we are about 10 o'clock. That's a better place to run it if you're going to run it into an amp. Okay, I'm still on the AM, and I'm adjusting the RF power knob. Okay, RF power knob's all the way up. Dead keying almost 30 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio. And we're pegging the needle on the 100 watt scale. Alrighty, now then, let's go to, I'm going to skip upper side and go directly to lower sideband. Turn our power all the way down. Hello audio, audio 1, 2, 1, 2 audio. We're doing about 12 watts. Okay, now I'm going to turn our power all the way up. Audio, hello audio, audio 1, 2. Ain't that pretty? Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. They're getting 100 watts out of this with IRF 520s. So that's pretty impressive. Okay. Well, what I did was, you know, you can't, there's nothing physical to tune inside the radio anymore. It all has to be done in the menus on the computer. So you just have to know what to adjust and which way to adjust it. But you can see the output of the radio is really, really good. Oh, you know what? Let me show you the receiver. Get back on the AM. Okay. Outstanding receiver. You're going to love it. And the way you can tell one of mine from everybody else's, the labeling on it. Quad 5N2 enhanced. Q5N2E. That's what that stands for. Quad 5N2 enhanced. Okay? Darrell, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3 everybody. Stay safe.